Have you ever wondered why a simple combination of eggs and mayo becomes the world's most versatile sandwich filling? Today, we are diving into the science and versatility of egg salad. Traditionally, this creamy deli-style spread relies on hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, vinegar, and the crunch of chopped celery to create a perfect texture balance. But it is far more than just lunch. This protein-rich mixture can be transformed into a vegan delight using soft tofu and clever seasonings for that classic eggy vibe. The true genius of this dish lies in its adaptability. You can scoop it onto a salad, wrap it in lettuce for a gluten-free twist, or enjoy it on toast with fresh greens. Whether you prefer a rich dip served with crackers and vegetables for breakfast, or a hearty wrap for lunch, the ingredients allow for endless culinary experimentation. For those seeking a daily balanced diet, this meal offers a convenient way to incorporate healthy fats and high-quality protein into your routine without complex preparation. So, the next time you open your fridge, remember that this simple egg salad is not just a sandwich filler, but a complete, satisfying meal ready in minutes. We hope you found these variations inspiring for your next healthy meal. What is your favorite way to serve egg salad? Let us know in the comments below.